Hello everyone, I'm Master Pose, and today I start with the devlog of SCP-16P. But first, what is SCP-16P and why I'm doing this devlog? SCP-16P is a survival voxel game based on the stories of the SCP Foundation, in which you will need to survive and escape a catastrophic containment breach. Before going further with the game, why I'm doing this devlog? Well, if you know me from my itch.io page, you already know that SCP-16P started as a 2D platformer game, but due to my poor time management and organization, the project only stayed as another shitty SCP game. But now, I'm trying to stay as organized as possible. So I think this devlog can help me with keeping my ideas clear. If sometime in the future I have some problem of design vision, I will only need to watch this devlog. And the last things I wanted to make this series of devlogs is to get more attraction and most importantly, to practice my English. I wanted to make videos to practice a long ago, and now I finally found a perfect excuse. Let's get started with what I done in this first week of development and what I wanna do next. You can check the Trello page of the project down below in the description. Disclaimer: a week ago I wasn't thinking about doing this, so I won't show you any records of me programming or anything like that. I started with the voxel art in Magica Voxel. I only used it one time before, but the program is pretty simple to understand, and as the days passed, I was dominating it even more. Then I did some basic 3D player controller, and over the first 3 days, I tweaked it until I was satisfied with how it feels. With the camera, happened something similar. At first, I wanted something like World of Warcraft, where you need to click down to move the camera, but my brother told me that it was uncomfortable. So I changed it. Now you need to right-click down to move the camera without moving the player rotation. Funny story, I was checking tutorials for making the camera respond to the solid objects like walls, and I found a good and clever way to do it. But the only thing is that it doesn't work, or at least partially. Everyone in the comment section of the video were asking about fixing a bug that at first I wasn't experiencing, but when finally happened to me, I was frustrated. But I didn't give up. After try and error, I finally found the problem. See, I'm new at Unity, and even if I have previous experience in other game engines, I don't think of myself as a good programmer, just a student. So if you see in the Trello of the project some links to tutorials, is for the same thing. I'm learning, and even if I have a solution for my game, I prefer to check first if someone more experienced than me solve it more efficiently, and learn about it. 2 last important things. Making UI in Unity was way less frustrating than I thought, and with this and making models and animation, I relaxed my brain from code and errors and bugs. Just a relief. And finally, in the devlog of the itch.io page, I said that I wasn't sure what type of genre I wanted for the game. Well, surprise! I will making it a roguelike/roguelite kind of game. So let me introduce the game again. SCP-16P is a roguelike voxel game based on the stories of the SCP Foundation. You will need to find your way out from a containment breach full of absurd and never-imagined creatures. The game is heavily inspired from Cube War, The Escapist, and The Binding of Isaac. So that's it. But wait, I said roguelike/roguelite. That's because I'm considering the generated rooms with permadeath or the generated rooms with loss of items when you die. So let me know your opinion in the comment section. Check also the itch.io devlog, because I won't be able to do a video every time, but I'll do my best. Bye everyone, thanks for watching and have a good day.